Seventh question is, the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify the statement with the help of some examples. Now, we'll see the examples. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 can divide by 6th table. This is called three consecutive number, that is next number. Same like that, 4 into 5 into 6. 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120. This 120 also we can divide by 6th table, because here we have 6. Here also 2 3s are we have 6. That's why this number can be divisible by 6. 120 also can be divisible by 6, means we have here 6. Three consecutive numbers if we take, the product we can divide by 6th table. Among three consecutive numbers, there must be one even number and one multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 we have, and here also 2 3s are 6. That's why 3 we have common number in both also. Thus, the product must be multiple of 6. 6th table it will be multiple of the product, that's why it can be divided by 6th table. 8th question is here, homework sum. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. Do it as homework. 9th one, in which of the following expression prime factorization has been done? Here I have written all the 4 questions. In this, which and all is prime numbers is there? Here 4 is not prime number. In this 56, 7 into 2 into 2, this is prime numbers. 70 also they given 2 into 5 into 7. 54, 2 into 3 into 9. 9 is not a prime number. So what and all we have in the prime number? B and C we have prime numbers. First, prime numbers means what? Number in that table only 1 times it will go. But 9 is not prime number, because 9 ones are 9, 3 3s are also 9. So this 9 is not a prime number. 4 also, 4 ones are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 table it's coming, that's why this 4 also is not in a prime number. This 2 only is a prime number, so therefore we have to tell B option and C option is a prime factorization. Tenth question is, determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. Hint, they given 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test the divisibility of the number by 5 and 9. Because 5 9s are 45. If this number is divided by 5 or divided by 9, then it will be divided by 45. We have to prove this. So that 25,110, the prime factorization of 45 is 5 into 9, because 5 9s are 45 will get. So this is 0 is the last digit number, so it will be divided by 5th table. So 25,110 is divisible by 5, as 0 is at unit place. Because if it is there in unit place 0 and 5, it will be divisible by 5th table. Then 25,110 is divided by 9, as sum of digit is divisible by 9, because this everything if you add, that is 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 also is 9. So 9 will divide by 9th table, so that this every number will be divided by 9th table. So that the number must be divisible by 9th table also is divided, 5th table also it is divisible. That's why 5 9s are 45. So this number will be divisible by 45 also, because 45 factor 5 and 9. So in both table this number is ding. That's why 45 table also it will be divisible. 11th question is 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2. 3s are 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4, 6 or 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer. Actually, what they say is here, 18 can divide by second table also. 18 can divide by third table also. Suppose 18 by 2 means 9 2s are 18. 18 can divide by 3 means 6 3s are 18. Or 2 into 3 will get 6. So 18 can divide by 6 also. That is 3 6 are 18. So this if you multiply by this number also can be divided by 18, and factor, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 also can divide by 18 9 times and 6 times. Example, 4 into 6 will get 24. So 24 can divide by 4th table 6 times. 24 can divide by 6 4 times. 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. Same like this, they are asking any number dividing by 4 or dividing by 6. Example 12. 12 can divide by 4th table 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 12 can divide 6th table. 6 2s are 12. Now this 12 can be divided by 24 or what? 12 cannot divide by 24. This is what our answer we want to tell. Because it is lesser number, this is bigger number is there in the denominator. 24 can divide by 12th table 2 times. Okay. But they are asking, this is the question now. So we have to tell no. Number 12 is divisible by both, that is 6th and 4th table, but 12 is not divisible by 24. 12 is not divided by 24. 24 can divide by 12. Okay, but this is, they are not asking the question. 12 can divide by 24 or what? They are asking the question. So we have to tell no. The number 12 is not divided by 24 is our answer. 12th question is, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? The smallest 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. This is smallest number. Prime numbers, once again I am telling, prime numbers means it will go in that table only one time. Other table it won't come. That number is called prime numbers. Then too they are asking smallest number. So smallest number start from 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11. So this smallest 4 prime numbers we have to multiply. Then we will get that smallest number. So 2 3s are 6. 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 7, 210. This is the smallest number we required.